Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat notification not working on Android device. So first of all, open Snapchat account. Now I'm showing you two method. If you want follow my two method, then you can solve this problem. Tap onto profile icon. Look at the right corner, click on setting icon, scroll down, go to notification option and enable all this option, and method number 2, go to phone setting, tap onto notification, click on manage notification, select Snapchat, and enable to notification option from here. Or if you restart your phone, I hope if you want to follow my two method, then you can solve this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.